If someone is murdered in your home, do you have to disclose it? It depends. If you're selling a home, you are required to disclose only facts actually known to you or your agent. Your agent is required to disclose what is known to them as well, even if you tell them not to mention that water damage or the unhealthy HOA reserves. These disclosures or facts could be anything from repairs, hazards, or damage to the property, ranging from structural repairs, a leaky toilet, or stains on the carpet. It could also be disclosing information about the HOA, zoning and use, or if there are any liens against the property. But in the case of murder on a property, it is considered a stigmatizing event that can lower the value of the property. And it's required to be disclosed, but again, only if you're aware of it. If you have any questions on what to disclose when selling your property, DM Halo Group Real Estate Advisors today with any of your questions. We'd love to help. Advice that matters, representation that cares, results that deliver. Halo Group.